So, hope she got it on camera, but this fool's plate fell off. Plate fell off.
Man, you saw that shit?
It was flying in the air, dude.
Yeah.
Hopefully it makes it home without losing a plate.
You think they have extra mass?
Weight reduction.
Shady. Gotta disinfect, dude. Gotta disinfect.
One of my bulbs is going out, so I bought a new pair, but when I did my fog light delete, I rewired my halos to the fog lights and I deleted the corners. That's why the corners aren't on right now. So now I press my fog light switch. Should be on. Usually people have them wired to their accessory line, but I didn't want them on all the time. And for the dying bulb, I got a pair of Philips Ultimate White 5000K D2S xenons. These are like 80 a piece, but I feel like I need the brighter lights because I deleted the corners as well. So I'm about to install it on the side that wasn't dying yet, so I can compare it to the one that was dying. Praying to God it doesn't rain right now. It's been raining all day. Gotta move this out of the way. So here's the old bulb. It's all burnt out and nasty. Put the new one in. Make sure not to touch the filaments. And it should be good. Now let's compare it. Alright. Can y'all see the difference? It's a hell of a lot brighter. I'm gonna install the other one. Wrap this up because it is starting to drizzle. I'll turn it on and see how it looks. Damn. It looks so much better. Can't wait to use this at night. That's it for now. Catch us on our next episode. I think Van's gonna install his diffuser front and back. Alright. Peace.